Today I'm going to clean these disgusting stains off this car seat, and to do it I'm using a portable carpet cleaner called the Bissell Spot Clean Pro. I've got this special solution here that is formulated to get rid of stains. I'm going to lay down a drop cloth between the seats so I only get the passenger seat wet. And I'm using a small attachment. So as you can see, that seat was pretty dirty. Anyway, so it's dried a bit, but you can still see stains towards the rear of the seat on the bottom. So we're going to have to do another application. But this time I'm going to be using brushes to brush the stain and loosen the dirt. Okay, so I'm going to let the seat dry and look at all the additional dirt I got out. Disgusting. But anyway, here's what it looks like now after it's dried. No stains. Still drying in the rear, but the stains are gone. And by comparison, this is what it looked like before. So this Bissell Spot Clean Pro carpet cleaner got it beautiful. Thank you for watching.